Hey, we're camping today, and we're at Keystone Heights, Florida, right?
Yep.
And so, you know, when we do camping videos, we like to make the recipes kind of straightforward and simple. And what do we got going?
Shrimp.
Shrimp, that's right. We're going to do some shrimp in a cast iron skillet on a pellet grill. So the first thing we're going to do is layer these shrimp up in this cast iron skillet. We'll keep going around in a circle until we get all of the shrimp in here. I got some Sazone here. Maybe, what would you say? Half a teaspoon. Got some minced garlic. About a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more. We got some smoked paprika. About, I don't know, teaspoon, 2/3 of a teaspoon. A little hot sauce here. I'm using this, I can't pronounce it, I'll just let you look at it. This is a mild hot sauce. It's got a nice smoky flavor to it. Just give this a stir. Just gonna give this a pour all over our butter. Or all over our shrimp, I should say. There's 1/4 of a lemon, 1/4 of a lime. Then I'm going to come back in with 1 more quarter lemon and 1 more quarter lime. Hey, it took these shrimp, I don't know, 8, 10-ish minutes to cook. Let's give it a try.
Okay. Buttery.
Buttery, a little bit smoky. I get a little bit of the lemon and lime juice we put in there.
There's a little tiny bit of heat at the end too.
Well, I sprayed a little bit of Ring of Fire, I can't say the word, like mezzacajati or whatever, hot sauce.
That's good. It's a really good flavor.
But I don't get a lot of the Sazone tropical. I'd probably double up on that next time.
Yeah, I like the butter flavor is great. It's delicious.
The butter flavor is great?
Yeah.
And I think I might even put more garlic.
Yeah, I think so too. Maybe
they were good, but I would put more garlic. Hey, thanks so much for watching.